All right, so let's take a look at some quick examples of how Senna.js is working on the platform. Okay, so like I had already mentioned, you can configure on the platform the different aspects of Senna.js. So let's start by taking a look at where you can actually do that configuration. All right, so if you open the menu and go to Control Panel, in the Configurations and System Settings section, you'll find a section under Platform called Infrastructure. Okay, and this is where you will find the front-end SPA infrastructure here, where you can configure things like the cache expiration time, navigation exception selectors, etc., etc. Okay, so everything we talked about, you can actually configure here. All right. Now we do have an example pulled from the Senna.js site. So if you pull up your exercises here, okay, again, those should be in C Liferay, user home Liferay. We can open up the 6th section here, and we'll see the Senna blog. So this is just a code example from the Senna.js site, okay, where we have some CSS, images, and some JavaScript here. So you can feel free to go in here, take a look at this, okay. If you look up the spa.js file, you can go to open that up and investigate the JavaScript being used here, okay, for these different elements, okay, using the SPA app. All right, and if you want to see this in the works, you can actually go to the Senna.js site and look at some of their examples. So this blog example is using that code that we have available to you in your exercises, okay? So I would definitely recommend, after this section, taking a look at that, digging in a little bit further, and determining how you might want to use SPA in your own platform. All right, so in the next section, we're going to talk about some of the tools that we can use together to build different modules and apps on the platform. All right, so I'll see you in the next section.